Hi Britannia, so we're at the Grand Canyon. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're seeing and what you're seeing and what your experience is?
What I know is that we're at the south rim of the Grand Canyon. I don't really know what that means. I don't know a lot of anything. I think that these rocks were carved by water. I think we learned that in the movie yesterday.
I agree.
I know that it's over 200 miles.
I think it was 277.
Yeah.
Right.
And 18 miles in width.
Right. You could go.
And it looks spectacular in person.
It does. It really does.
It looks like it's about 200 to 300 feet deep.
Oh, more than that. I think that we're at close to 1,000 elevation at this point.
Okay.
So hi everyone. Yeah, as Michelle said, we're in the south rim of the Grand Canyon. I am terrified right now because I don't like heights. And it is scary.
Get closer. Good.
Okay, let's head up.
Let's head up, man.
Go have lunch.
Let's go have lunch.
Then we'll go in the visitor center if you want to go.
Yeah, the visitors.
Well, we'll have lunch first. What do you think?
Yeah.
What are you going to do from here? Yes.
I'm back.
Hi. Come and say hi to my video. We're the ones standing behind.
We're scared.
We're scared to death. We don't want a heart attack, so we're not getting close.
We're more scriptural than most of y'all. Lo, I will be with you always. And this is low.
This is low.